All right, let's crack this baby open. Let's get it going. Boy, oh boy, does Bitcoin look good on the 15 minute. We were staring at this last night. We saw the breakout, we saw the pullback, and then it started running. So Bitcoin still target sitting around 77,637. I'm holding strong on that idea. Holding strong on it. Let's go ahead and check out the heat map real fast. Whoa. Looks like some shorts are about to get liquidated. Holy crap. On the 24-hour time frame, we're about to tap into the first grouping of shorts that could be getting liquidated. $77,073. $31 million in shorts are sitting there. There's a lot more shorts than longs right now. Not really sure why everyone's trying to short the market. That's kind of shocking. Oh my. Looking on the weekly. Weekly is going to be closing tomorrow, and there is a lot of liquidity overhead. Holy crap. That's insane. That's actually insane. People are shorting this market. Cannot imagine why they do that. That's kind of shocking. Looking at Bitcoin, I mean, it looks super strong. Why would you do that? Are you starting to see some hidden bearish divergence? Yeah, you see it on the 1 hour. You see it very strongly on the 1 hour. But when you see price action like this, and it's price discovery, don't. Very dangerous to short. Very dangerous. And your 4-hour stochastic reset. Oh boy. Bitcoin could not only just like keep running, but it could like really run. Yeah, I guess the target, we're gonna look for 80,000. We're just ready and waiting. That's crazy. All right, Bitcoin looking strong as hell. Let's go into BNB token because we're close to it on the watch list. Let's see what it's doing. BNB token still working its way up to 656, and after we break 656, I still have a target at 851, 841. BNB chugging along, fully reset your 4-hour, looking good. We look at it on the daily. Daily looks just fine. It's the fact that you had a golden cross here, you completely sold off on the golden cross, and now you're starting to get that pump. So BNB, I do think out of the large caps, this thing looks super strong. Really tight moving averages on the daily. Really tight. And also, if you are looking at this from the idea of like a rising wedge pattern, this thing could have the rocket fuel it's looking for. So even though it hit resistance, it looks like it's getting ready to try and hit it again. So yeah, we could see a short squeeze out of BNB token as well. That's pretty interesting. Pretty interesting to say the least. Let's go ahead and drop down to Dogecoin, then Ethereum, and then we'll move on. Doge had a great day, and it's still going. Oh my. Oh my word, you're getting a breakout of Dogecoin right now? Your next target for Dogecoin is going to be 34 cents. Sheesh. Dogecoin just breaking resistances left and right. We'll start getting rid of some of these lines. Let's clean up the chart a little bit, but wow. Wow. That's wild. I knew it was looking strong. I didn't know it looked this strong. Dogecoin looking to do some more damage. That's crazy. Let's check out Ethereum, see if it has continued its run. Checking out Ether. Still broken out, still aiming for that 3,351 level. We're still waiting on it. It's coming though. It's coming. Don't sleep on Ethereum. What was that other one that looked like Ethereum? ICP and DOT. We're going to have to look at those. We're going to look at Solana and then Sui and then... Yeah, because Sui made a full measured move today. Absolutely insane. Yo, what's up, Ty? How you doing? Where you at, Soul? There you are. So Solana, we're still waiting for 225. Still waiting, but we are at 200. Looking pretty good. Solid, very nice. Hopefully you're getting some amazing gains right now because the market has been hot. About to go on? About to go on what? About to go on a run? Nice. Running's always good. Get that cardiovascular shape in. Gonna live forever. Gonna live forever. I forgot what study I was reading, but it was like people with very good cardiovascular health, they tend to live longer. So get your run on. But yeah, we still have 13% waiting on Solana to continue its move up, but man oh man, this thing has been going. Just a straight line. That's crazy. But let's check out Sui real fast, because I looked at Sui earlier, and it hit the entirety of the measured move. The entirety of it. We zoom on in here to the 15 minute. Look at how crazy this is. Look at this shit. So I had it marked out right there. We touched it. We're consolidating. Likely to go hit that green line. Sui is looking absolutely crazy. 15 minutes resetting right now. It's going to want to rally again later tonight. That's just disturbing. Ugh. So wild. Alright, we gotta find some new trade setups that could be coming. So we're gonna first take a look at Turbo. So on Turbo, we can see right now we are getting a back test of this most recent downtrend, which is phenomenal. We almost hit the measured move based off your fib levels. So we were talking about Turbo last night. Yo, what's up, Max? How we doing? How we doing? We're talking about Turbo last night, and Turbo did break out. Now we're just waiting for this back test to take hold. 15 minute looks really good for upside. Let's see the 1 hour. Now your 1 hour does say you're probably going to consolidate a little bit, but we are in Pump City. So I don't know how long this thing's going to not pump, but, you know, if we get a real pump out of Turbo, we could very well see a 70% move. But in the near term, you're looking to hit overhead resistance, which is currently sitting at 10455. 15% move to the upside. Very possible for Turbo. Very possible. Gotta have a stop loss right below this 8629 at the moment. We'll see where it's at after this back test takes place. But yeah, this thing, fresh breakout, getting your back test, love to see it. Love to see that. Now, I'm currently in a trade as well. I'm in Myro. Let's go to Myro real quick. Myro. So currently it's pulling back a little bit, but you can see this same consolidation. It tried breaking out. It's getting pulled down right now, which is kind of a shame. But your 1 hour still has plenty of room to run. We're above all of our moving averages. I think it's the 15 that's really pooping on the parade here. Yep, it's that 15. We're starting to break our supply line, which is too bad. But it does look like the buyers are still here. That makes me happy. Looking at it from the 4 hour time frame, you have room to run. You do have room to run. I'm looking for that 46% upside, but if it keeps going, we could see this thing go anywhere between 46 to 117, maybe even 160%. But I'm just focused in on this 46%. But yeah, currently in this trade, I'll show my work. We're up 135%. I'm on a 35x leverage long on a meme coin. You could say I'm a little bit of a degen, but I was staring at the chart when I got into this trade. My eyes were glued to it. But yeah, looking really good. I'm thinking the breakout is coming tonight. I'm thinking it's coming tonight. Alright, we got to take a look at ICP and DOT real quick. Just want to see how their performance was after we looked at them last night. So ICP, we got a little bounce off that 815.2 level. Looks like we're trying to get up to that 898. Not too shabby. You have clear skies overhead on the 4 hour. Let's go ahead and check out the 1 hour. 1 hour. Sorry, the daily. My bad. The daily, we do have the 200 daily moving average to contend with, but that's okay. That's okay. It's looking pretty solid inside of the consolidation. The ICP might be one we will be looking at come Monday morning. Might just be. We will see. The heck is IQ? You're already up 14%. The new day started an hour ago. Well, that's wild. That is wild. Where's Dot? Dot. So Dot kind of look the exact same. Let's see what we're doing here. Ooh, looking the literal exact same. You're pretty high on your relative strength, really high on your stochastic on the daily, but your 200 simple moving average is sitting right up here at $5.41. So it makes me believe Dot could continue its upswing. It just might be a little slow. Dogecoin is running. Wow. Fresh breakout for the Doge. Next target for Doge is 34 cents. That's absolutely insane. I will not FOMO in. Not FOMO in. What's up, Adam? How you doing? Well, technically it wouldn't be FOMO. It would be buying a breakout. So technically it wouldn't be FOMO. I mean, you're kind of cooked on the 1 hour, but this is alt season. This is what alt seasons look like. For anybody who is still curious, this is what an alt season looks like. Where's Cyber? There you are. Oh, Cyber got off. We're going. Very nice. Love to see it. Oh yeah, so you guys remember how I was making such a big deal out of Casper token? Look at what this thing did. It is well on its way. It almost got up to overhead resistance. It's cooling off a little bit. People front ran it, but looking like you just gathered up your soda and juice and you're ready to go for another run. If this manages to break this 11065 level, I mean, you got these yellow levels here you could contend with, but the real target 25196. You would of course wait for a back test, hold as support. But from where I marked this out, that was a 71% move to get up to the first resistance. I made a video about this, and actually, I think I had a hateful comment in there. I really hope they look at this chart again. Oh, you were wrong. And it dropped, I think, like 5 to 10% or something from around here. Drop down to here, and now we're just going. Some people, so impatient. So impatient. It's a shame. ENS was making some moves today as well. Looks like you're retracing again. Oh, it just wants to give people a chance to get in. That's nice. That's very nice of it. Very, whatever the kids are saying with the D word. Demi Moore. I don't know what it is. Foxy's going crazy. Alright. Runner brought it up earlier today that GRT was looking like it was breaking out. So let's take a look at GRT real fast. Confirmed breakout. Is that on the daily? Confirmed daily breakout on GRT. Confirmed daily breakout. This is a major breakout for GRT because your next target is 2984. GRT, that is a major breakout right there. If it can hold above for any length of time, this thing could actually start going insane. Actually insane. And then not to mention, this is the beginning of the move from this falling wedge. So real target is going to be up here at 40.38. GRT on a breakout. This is probably going to have an extremely good week. I look forward to seeing what GRT does. I also got a notification about Shiba Inu. Let's see what SHIB is doing. Oh, it's up 4%. Look at that. Breakout. Shiba Inu breaking out right now. Remember where that target is. Remember we were talking about it yesterday. You had 105% upside from where it was sitting. It's only on you if you didn't believe in the SHIB. Only on you. There's so many things deep in the green. It's so hard to find what is freshly breaking out. Alright, look at AVAX. As I mentioned before, you stay above 28, you are aiming for 39. You started your move already. The move has begun. Okay, this beta thing, it still hasn't moved. It's trying. It's working on it. Your 4 hour, it wants to do it. Don't be surprised if you wake up one of these days and it's up like 100%, or even just, I think this is like 50% or something. But don't be surprised if the beta still waiting to go up, still maintaining its supports. Nobody's selling it. Everybody's buying it. Well, hardly anybody's buying it, but yeah. You know what I mean? Brett has broken out. Brett has broken out. So, Brett, we're looking for that 18 to 73% upside. Yeah, if you guys aren't making money in this market right now, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Has C98 done anything yet? C98. Fresh breakout. Fresh breakout on C98. Dang, in early, yes. We clock in early. I do want to end early. I got a pretty tough workout in today. I'm tired. So I'm thinking around 7:30 I'm gonna be done. So 2.5 hours from now, I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna be toast. C98 on a fresh breakout, looking ready to run. You can get anywhere between 20, 67, and 140% on C98's next move. If you're looking for anything that could start running, C98 is one of them. You're just in the bullish control zone on relative strength. This could start running tonight. This could start running tonight. You are at all-time lows. That's what you're getting out of. All-time lows. I thought Pepe would place popped by now with Coinbase listing. Pepe got a Coinbase listing? Pepe's doing just fine. It had a nice breakout. It's just probably overbought on some time frames. So Pepe just needs to consolidate. Oh, and it did. It's 4 hours ready to run. You could see this thing get all the way up here to this 1678 level. It's okay that it didn't pump with the rest of the market today. It's alright. It will have its turn. It will have its turn. Oh yeah, GOAT. I had to get out of it last night, and then I looked at it today. So the reason I had to get out of it is because I started seeing this red candle forming. I was on the 5 minute because of the leverage I was on. So I saw this pullback here. Then I started seeing, oh wait, no, I was over here. Holy shit. So I saw this pullback here. We came back up. I sold it. I didn't notice that it went up any higher. But man, this thing rolled over. And then it broke out. Now it's trying to get a nice little rally going. But I had to close this out last night. Otherwise it would have stopped me out. It made me nervous. But you're officially broken out. Looks like you're going for a daily back test, which not bad. Not bad. So on the backtest idea, we still could be seeing a 30% rally for GOAT. These markets are crazy right now. I posted Mother in the Discord, and yeah, this thing flew. Absolutely flew. And for the haters out there who don't think I did it, here is what I posted in Discord. Right there for Mother. I posted it at 9:02 a.m. my time. You can see where it was, right at that red line. This is that red line. This entire move could have been yours. Called that. Feels good. Feels good when you call it right. Was I in the trade? No, not at all. I just identified it. I've been in Myro all day. Fucking wasting my time. Just wasting my gosh darn time. Waiting for the 15-minute to reset right now, as it just bleeds out, making me sad. But hopefully we find support right here and we can start actually going up. Myro is set to go up like 46% from where you're sitting right now. 42%. Very tight stop loss you can have as well. Very tight. I guess our 1 hour is looking kind of poopy too. A little poopy. But you can see sideways consolidation right at your demand line. The more you hit it, the weaker it gets. When this thing finally breaks, it's going to fly. Absolutely going to fly. You can't hold a price down this long and not expect it to just shoot out of there. So, I am waiting for Myro to give me my payday. And the really nice thing, you do have an uptrending level of support here. So that is really nice. So yeah, we're just patiently waiting. You are right, Shiba is up. You have a lot of upside left on Shiba. Let it run. Let it run. Shiba's on that fresh breakout right now. Just let it run. You do have price targets. And it's not here. It's up here. Price target's all the way up here. 3915. Actually, I gotta text somebody about this. They have been texted. But yeah, Shib is starting to get the love finally. Finally starting to get the love. Will Floki get the love as well? Will Floki get its breakout? I'm gonna wager and say probably. So we could see Floki go on a 40% run. When the dogs start running, you don't stop them. You let them run. Let them run! Floki does have a lot of upside ahead of it, so the trade is there for you if you want it. I mean, the amount of fake outs that you've done. Can you believe this? You had a high, a higher high. You then downtrended, getting the low, lower low. Now you're starting to take off. I mean, these whales, they're just They were just out to steal everybody's money. It's crazy. Rats on a fresh breakout as well. Can I check mode? ETH layer 2? Yep, we can check out mode. I'm kind of just like scanning through all the coins right now, so any requests, feel free, drop them in. Oh, that's crazy. It's not on my watch list. That means I can't leverage trade it on weeks. No. Let's check it out on Bybit. Check it on Bybit. Wow, this thing's really low. It is really... Oh my god. So low. Well, positive, you're flatlining. Not much else you can go down on. You just broke your one of your lowest levels of support. It's kind of like a pocket right there. Huh. Surprised you fell below it. So the only problem I see with this is like you fell once, yes, you came down, you touched it as support. Now you're gonna have to test this as support too. How's Brett doing? Brett's doing really good. Brett is doing really good. We'll go look at that chart again. Wait, I'm not done here. Yo, what's up, Rich? How you doing? How you doing? Alright. Well, those are all the levels I care about right now. This has a lot of runway. What's up, Jack? How you doing? How you doing? Welcome back. Welcome back. Oh. Very interesting. Wow, Myro is still falling? My goodness. That's just obnoxious. Just taking away my gains. Alright, so you need a breakout. It's really what you need here. And if you can break out, then backtest this level one more time. That's where I could sign off on this thing, possibly getting a nice little run up. Where I would be looking at a 38% run. If it decides to keep going, that would be cool. But if it does, you're looking at 130% upside. So, interesting place that it's in, but you're still consolidating, it looks like. You really want that break and back test, because this is your first time down at these lows, and you only tested this level once. So it's like the fact that you hit it once, and when you came in for the back test, you fell straight through. Now you're just showing, oh, this is a current level that I do need to back test once I break above. So that's just the only thing I see out of this that's a little worrisome. You're going to be looking for a back test. Doesn't mean it can't pump. It's just more than likely it's going to come down a lot. More than likely. Four hour has plenty of room to run. 1 hour, you're kind of high, showing bearish convergence. Yeah, bearish convergence. This could roll over. I don't know what to tell you on this one. The possibility's there. Your 15 minutes says you're going to rally, though. So, once again, wait for the breakout, wait for the back test, get your indicators to reset. Since it's only been down here once, I just don't know if the bottom's in. I have no idea. But you could rally up to 1615. Dang, I've been trying to catch that CAS breakout for a minute. Finally got it. Yep, Cass did have a pretty darn good day. I saw it was up like 9%. Pretty solid. Going to Brett. So Brett did have a beautiful little breakout of its most recent downtrend here. You are looking for hitting this 1078 level. If you manage to break that, then 15646 is the next target. Brett's looking good. You're just breaking out of your consolidation range right now. And it does look like you're back testing it as support. That'd be very bullish if you did that. Very, very bullish. So yeah, nothing bad to say about Brett. Yo, didn't know you was live. Cody, I said it in Discord. Cody, is this your way of telling me you never joined Discord? A little disappointing. A little disappointing. Need you in Discord, brother. Everything looks like it's going up. Caspa had a 9% day, and now it's working up to its next fib level / overhead resistance at 143545. I need to get the app. Oh man. Yes, you definitely do. Because that is a great way to get notified. Otherwise, I think you need to click like the bell notification. If I have a bell notification, we're going to have a good weekend. We have been having a good weekend, Max. Cheers to that. Today's a beer day. We have our Stone IPA. Currently, this is the FML Fear Movie Lions Hazy Double IPA. Beer day. After a hard workout. I'm officially a CrossFitter. No, I'm just kidding. I don't CrossFit. But FML is pretty bomb. It is pretty bomb. It's great. And you made a buy order last night, 25x, that got wicked into perfectly, so you're happy with yourself. Very nice, Rich. Very nice. I love to hear it. Now go become a millionaire. Go become a millionaire. Gotta make generational wealth. Do it. If I'm being honest, I would love to see Cass get like a back test of this demand line since you've been held down for so long. I'd love to see that back test. Either way, we're still waiting for Cass to hit this 60% move. Getting up to your 618 at 167499. We're just out here waiting for it. We'll see how it performs. I woke up this morning to a $110 trading bonus on Buy DeFi. I was like, damn! Very surprising. Yeah, fun thing. Anybody who signs up through my link on Buy DeFi, you actually get rebates. 10% rebates on all of your trades. So, I think it's on the trading fee. But you can actually make money through trading on Buy DeFi. Yo, what's up, Gap Filler? How you doing? Nah, bro, I thought... Oh, shit. Nah, bro, I thought you were going to make me a millionaire with that copy trade. I have copy trading set up. I do have it set up. So, if you go in here, you go to copy trade. Let me see if you can find my name. Porky... Can't find it yet. I'm going to talk to the people. Because it's supposed to be Porky F65. Search. Okay, I'm going to talk to the people because I did set it up. And I actually can trade with it. It literally just says, go trade. And I'm like, okay, cool. So yeah, I got to figure out what the hell happened. But anyways. I am officially on there. I just have to see how I can get found. Want me to call them for you? Call them up. When you get a chance, Pie, please. Got you covered. How's it going today? It's great, Kevin. It's great. You should text out buy DeFi trading bots and let me see it work. I have never used a trading bot. I don't know how they work. ADA is going bananas. Is it really? Try it out. I'll try it out. I can do that. Let's go look at PyPy. Hold on one second. Wife's calling me. Yeah, what's up? Yeah? What's up? Okay. Whatever. Alright, PyPy. Let's check out the PyPy. Oh shit. This thing's ready to move. Well, I look at C98. C98's ready to explode. Cody, I already looked at it. It's ready to explode. Looks like we got our breakout we were looking for. There it is. Measured move, 80% upside to 20575. This thing looks sexy. Looks goddamn sexy, I'll tell you. Shorter term, 36%. A little bit longer term, 62%. So this thing looks pretty damn good. Nice call, Max. Nice call. We got our breakout finally. Damn. I mean, we broke out, we back tested, we're broken out again. That thing looks crazy. I love following wedges. I will find them all the time. I love following wedges. They're just so gosh darn bullish. Ah. Thanks to ETH. Yeah, actually. Thanks to ETH. Let's go ahead and check out ADA, then C98. Where are you? ADA, there you are. Gold Mike, Pharaoh on ETH, is it good or scam? I have no idea. Dang. Remember what I said about ADA? How it never moves until it does? Well, shit, it moved. My goodness. You know what? This is when you gotta look for a meme coin. You gotta look for a meme coin on the ADA network. Like, is that SNEC token going crazy right now? I don't know. AVAX backtesting too? Yep. Rich, what the fuck? Yeah, this is ADA right now. On a moonshot. The nice thing is, you should be able to get a backtest in this zone here before it tries going to 77 cents. Wasn't someone shorting ADA here? Somebody was shorting. I'm pretty sure they closed their short, though. If they didn't close it, it was forced closed. Alright, Cody, let's go to C98. Yeah, you're looking for consolidation now for ADA. Simply put, looking for consolidation. When you find it, great. Someone freaking out yesterday? Yep, that's true. XRP flinched. So, XRP, the rumor is BlackRock is buying it. So, that's the thing about XRP right now. When I saw that news, I was like, what? They're buying XRP? That's crazy. So, C98, I'm going to say it. It is ready to explode to the upside. You have just You have just broken out of your downtrend. You are above two local levels, or you're above a level of support and a local level of support. So, I am looking for C98 anywhere between 20 to 140% upside. I am looking for C98 to start doing some damage. I can't wait to see it. I really can't wait. Yeah, they've been buying for a few weeks, if you're not mistaken. Surprising. It's okay, I rewinded the video. Okay, no worries. Can I peep out Popcat? We can look at Popcat. We can check out Popcat. AVAX backtesting, you're right. So Gold Mike, is Pharaoh on any exchanges? No, it's not. I ain't going to Dex Screener. I don't know what to say about Pharaoh, but if the meme is being made right now, you're more likely not to be in a scam I'm just saying more likely. I'm not saying it's not. Just more likely not. Um, I wish you the best of luck if you buy it. This shit getting crazy. No, it's just an alt season. This is normal. Shiba's still up. Shiba should keep going. It should just keep going. About some... Oh, you bought some snack earlier, up a few hundred already? See, that's why. That's fucking why. I mentioned that. I was like, wow, ADA is going crazy. Look for the memes. And there you go. Snack, it's up. I think this is the last great pump before recession reality hits. I mean, the thing about recession hitting, it's kind of like the crypto space eats that shit up. Oh, Sync? Super small cap? Oh, okay. I'm on the daily, aren't I? God dang it. I put it in the right spot. We're good. Oh boy. Okay. Well, Popcat is not doing something great. Looks like it's trying to retrace. That's awfully strange. Oh, I'm dying. I need beer. So yeah, Popcat is consolidating up here. That's cool, I guess, but God, bad timing. The market's pumping. What are we doing? If Popcat can't stay above this 138 or 139.68, then we might be retracing straight down to 97.16. You do have hidden bearish divergence on the daily that looks like the distribution's taking over. You did tell me about Popcat around 20 cents. You're right. You're right. Trump in office, soon recession canceled. I don't know about that one, Rich. The problem is the jobs. The jobs are going away. It's really hard to get those back quickly. It's very hard. Do I think XRP will reach all-time high? I have no clue. It did not do it last bull run, so I don't know. I really don't know. XRP is just like the black sheep of the crypto space right now. And then SEC filed an appeal, so they're still dealing with legal nonsense. It will this time, maybe, but it's still dealing with legal nonsense, so I want to see how it handles that. Maybe with Trump in office, they can get rid of it, but who knows? Who knows? $3 plus? Could. It very much could. There are tons of other coins. Like Pepe Coin. But you guys were sleeping on this. Pepe Coin. Don't worry, I was sleeping on it too. I had no idea about this thing. I had no clue. But where's all that? Alright, Pepe Coin is a prime example of why levels matter. Look at this crazy nonsense. You broke a level, you took off. Could I check Gary? Sure. Got you covered. But yeah, Pepe Coin. This is a prime example of why we need the levels. Because you had nothing in between here, and it showed. It just shot straight up through it. That's crazy nonsense. Absolute craziness. You're almost at resistance. Probably going to get there today, but we'll see how long it takes. Once you get up here, I would expect a pullback. I would expect a pullback, And then I would expect some form of support sitting around this candle high. Something like that. Justin Sun to employ Gensler if he gets fired. Yeah, that would actually make sense. That, oh, God, I hate that guy. Justin Sun, it's like everything he touches dies. It's just like, wow. All right, checking out Gary on KuCoin. You're still waiting for your 41% upside. Still waiting. It's just trading sideways. But it does look like you're holding support, so that's positive. If you can manage to break that 949, well, maybe you're going to go up to 3051, which is a 3.5x. Yeah, Gary Coin's just still getting held down right now. Just getting held down against its will. My Myro trade is officially going to absolute shit. That sucks. That looks good. What's Gary? No idea. No idea what Gary is. It just says Gary Network. But it is forming a bottom right now, so it's going to take a minute to get out of there. My Myro trade is just getting shat on at the moment. Holy. But it did reset its stochastic on the 15. It's just kind of like, why'd we got to do it so sharply? Damn. Can't Myro get some love? Jeez, it's a little dog that could. Holy shit. How much of a retracement was that? Holy. Oh, we're back testing the 50 on the 1 hour. Total 3 approaching downtrend resistance. Oh, goodness. Gap coming in with the fear. Gap just coming in with the fear. What downtrend is this one? Talking about that. It's smacking up again. It's it. Pepe launching. Nice. Azuro. I don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Hopefully it can break. It should. So that's the thing about this. You hit it once, you made a bull flag, and you're popping out of it. So you should break it this time, because it's not like you retraced all the way to the bottom. You should break out here. Still aiming at that 822 billion mark. Once it does pop through here, oh man. Gonna see some craziness happen. Absolute craziness. So we have hidden bullish divergence on the weekly for this thing. That's kind of cool. That is kind of cool. Let's mark it out. Runner, I have no idea how you even found this token, if I'm being honest. No idea. I've never heard of it. Never smelled it. Nothing. Nothing at all. Oh. Was the wrong one? Golly. Do you think it's better to create small watch lists of the most popular crypto pairs and just monitor them periodically for a day trade setup, or use a tool like CoinGecko to screen the markets? I think having the watch list would be a lot better, because in reality you just have to pay attention to what Bitcoin is doing. So if Bitcoin's just trading sideways, a lot of your trades will be fine. If Bitcoin starts crashing, a lot of your longs will get wrecked. Absolutely wrecked. Are my blue light glasses subscribed? No. I have 20/20 vision. I'm not blind. AZUR? Okay. So remember, things like CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, they're only meant for you to like give you more information about a token. They get listed there, so you can see current news. You can see where you can trade them. You can also see their website, their X account. It's just to get information on the token. It's not really a good place for hour-to-hour monitoring. So it would be way better if you decided like to have a watch list with the big caps. New alpha on this. Let's start a hedge fund. No, not doing it. I would never do that. Golly. I have your blue light turned down on your monitor. Maybe yours has a setting too. It might. It just might. I put that onto my phone, or I turned it down on my phone. But as I get older in years, I just want to give my eyes some slight protection, because it actually will give me headaches if I stare at the screen for too long. Oh, I was wrong about the full moon? Shiba! Yeah, Shiba's doing really good. Harlem, doing real good. Told you not to sleep on Shiba. I told you. Gave you fair warning. Oh, this thing's ready to pump. That's good. Got 2 local targets here. Not bad. You got 23% and 54%. If it keeps going, you might see 21.55. Not bad. That's caffeine on the headaches. I don't even have that much caffeine, honestly. No, it's just if I'm staring at the charts too much, it'll start irritating my eyes, and then it'll give me a headache. It's really bad. You turn on the night light on your monitor, removes the blue light. Does it really? I didn't know that. Huh. If we all find a small coin and put 500k each, we can pump and dump. What do you say? No, Cody. I don't want to be. I joined a pump and dump group once. I don't like them. It's weird. It feels like survival of the fittest. It's really weird. You're holding 311 million Shiba. Can I make 40k? I'm not doing math right now. I don't know how much you actually have. What? Can I take a look at Kengo? It's under Caspa. As long as I don't have to go on to Dex Screener, yes. Otherwise, it's a $5 dono. Hate to say it, I just hate Dex Screener. I don't like it. Oh, that thing didn't even pop. Oh, it did pop up. Okay. We're gonna pin this. There you go. It's pinned. All right, let's go ahead and try and find that coin. It is Kengo. There it is. It's on CoinX. CoinX has it. Let's go, baby. Whoa, it's just straight up. It's just straight up. I don't know what to tell you on this one. Sniper TA, thank you so much for the sub. How you doing today? Welcome in. Welcome in. What? It's just a straight line up. I can't do anything here. Okay, I guess we can try charting it with this. It's just anything I say, it's like Pumpnomics can take over. I'll try. You got it at a 600K market cap. It's not an 8 million. I don't even know what the market cap is on this thing. Oh, it's now at 8 million. Oh, that's good. Same with me, but I'm blind lately too, so I wear reading glasses, not prescription glasses, and those give you a headache too. I need an eye doctor. Well, Rich, go to the eye doctor. Sounds like you figured out your own problem. You're like, I need an eye doctor. Oh, man. Alright, you're in an interesting range here. So this could come down. It could fly out. I understand what the indicators are saying. Indicators say it could go up. It's just there's hardly any information on this. So all it really takes is one guy who bought in early to feel like selling it, and you'll see prices lower than ever on this exchange. So I say be careful. I don't know what else to tell you about this coin. It's just there's hardly any data. There's hardly anything. If you continue to go up, you could look at this, I guess, sort of as a bull flag. So you'd be looking at it kind of like this, where put it on top, maybe you get up to this 573,295, but that's all I can really say about this. There's no telling. Doge Elon is pump also. Elon pumped. I guess we have different ideas of a pump. It broke out. You got that much. It broke out. We have different ideas of a pump. That's not a pump. That's just breaking resistance. It looks like a pump's going to be coming, though. As soon as you can reset, so you're going to consolidate outside of this, hopefully. And if you do, next target is this 2454. And like this over here, that was a pump. That was a pump. This is a breakout. It hasn't done a gosh darn thing. Pump versus breakout. You've been thinking about getting Bird Dog on Sol. Can you also take a look at that one? I'm pretty sure Bird Dog is only on Deck Screener. I'm pretty sure. Bog? This thing's called Bog. Oh wait, Bird Dog, right here on Bitmart. Maybe it's that. Is the price 3/1000ths of a penny? There's zero volume on this thing. Wow. There's zero volume on this. What about on Poloniex? A little bit. Nope, looks just as bad. I don't know what to tell you on this. It looks gross. It's down 48%. Seems like a pump when you use high leverage and 75% of your account. Yeah, it would seem like a pump, yeah. Yeah, it's on Bitmart. This is the Bitmart chart. It's just I can't do much with this. It's too new. So it's like you're trying to form a bottom here. But I don't know. If we have any type of pullback or something, this thing could just keep falling. It could keep going down. There's nothing here. I can't do anything with this. Yeah. Sorry, Gold Mike. I'm sorry I can't give you more. I wish I could. Honestly, I wish I could. It's just you gave me some really new tokens. You can't really TA new tokens. You just can't do it. It needs history, some form of history. Preferably, I mean, a minimum of like 3 months minimum. Give me 3 months and a pullback. 3 months and a pullback. That would be good. That would be pretty solid. Be able to make an educated guess. You think 75% of your account? No, that's not recommended at all. Remember, if you're leverage trading, it should only be an amount you're willing to lose. That's it. So 75% of your account. I mean, I wouldn't be willing to lose that. I'm surprised that you guys would be. That's very surprising to me. Ugh, can the selling be over for Myro, please? Am I missing any requests? Called Gala last night. Did good. I held the trade until this morning. Nice. You did call Gala. Gala looked good. You did call it. One that I want to call is OP. I think a lot of people are sleeping on OP. They're not having enough optimism out here. Not seeing enough movement. But you are in a consolidation zone right now. If you manage to break above this or even break out, you're going to see $2.20 more than likely. And if you break that 220, I mean, let's see where the next target would be after that. Break that 220, $3.01. What's Clearpool? I was about to say OP. Yeah, OP, a lot of people are sleeping on OP right now. They're just not realizing the greatness of this layer 2. They're not realizing the greatness. Anywhere between 32 and 83%. Got a small bag of OP. Smart. Do I need to add to it? I will never make financial decisions for you, runner. You can make those all on your own. Yes, ETH does need to pump, but ETH looks like it's ready to continue to the upside. Ever since Gary Gensler and his job is on the chopping block, ETH has been doing very well. 9K on ETH incoming. It's a bold prediction. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see what Clearpool is. No idea. So it's called Cpool. Got it. Got it. Why are my charts lagging? I probably need more RAM. Okay. Okay. You're in an accumulation range. I see it. I see it loud and clear. Reef up 18% today? Is it really? That's crazy. That's crazy. ARB, Tia, Adam. We'll check those out. It does have the benefit of an ETF. I don't know what the benefit of the ETF has been for ETH. Seems like it was just an opportunity for Grayscale to sell it. I literally follow Grayscale on Twitter just because I want to know what they're buying. So when a spot ETF comes out, I can sell it. That's the only reason I have. So they hold SUI. Oh yeah. As soon as they say we're getting a spot ETF for SUI, I'm shorting the shit out of it. I'm shorting the daylights out of that thing. I won't even care. I'll be like, oh, look at that. Short. Finally, retribution. Short it. Looks like you're trying to form a cup and handle right now on C-Pool on the weekly. On your daily time frame, it does look like you're trying to consolidate and continue to the upside. So since you're sitting in no man's land, you're going to want to wait for indicators to reset or get a break and a back test of your resistance up here. C-Pool looks pretty darn good though. Sell the news. Buy the rumor. That's true. Or get a bag. Yeah. ARB. Oh, you're talking about a C-Pool? That's funny. So Arbitrum sitting in a really good spot for accumulation right now. You are uptrending technically. Cardano's gonna make me buzz. Oh boy. Oh boy. So it wouldn't surprise me if ARB actually got this 31% move to the upside, but I'm thinking it might bounce around in here for a couple days. So we will see what happens with ARB. But your daily stochastic's very high. You are not overbought. Going down to the 4 hour, you have reset while upsloping, which is absolutely fantastic. So maybe you get that little spring to the upside by tomorrow. And then looking at your 1 hour. 1 hour, you are getting a lot of hidden bearish divergence. So who knows? Maybe a little drop down before coming up does happen. We'll see. We will see. Wait, what? Said no one ever. What? I'm confused. I'm confused again. After ARB, what was it? Tia and Atom. We're going to go to Atom first because we're in the A's. Can I not? Do I not know my ABCs? Atom. There we go. Interesting. Interesting look at him. Oh my god. I didn't know that it got this low. Holy crap. I had no idea this thing got this low. Winner. Check out winner. Oh my. Well, I would definitely say you're in a great opportunity of buying. Absolutely great opportunity of buying. Hold on. Fuck is that? I got a bug on my desk. Hold on. It's gonna drive me nuts. And dead. That was an annoying little shit. I'll tell you that much. Assemble AI, since we are in the neighborhood, I don't even have Assemble AI on this. I gotta type it in all the time. But we'll check that out after winner. Alright, so Atom here. Atom looks absolutely great. I mean, absolutely great. Holy guacamole. Sheesh! Look at where you are. Oh my gosh. First target, 14. Is AVAX about to go? It looks like it's ready. It got above that 28 level that I was talking about before. Yep. That's what it's looking like right there. I'll tell you what. I shall tell you what. Alright, that's what we're looking at for Atom. First target, 684. Second target, 1318. Noted, could overperform and get up to 1579. Adam is in a great accumulation space. You hit it once, you hit it twice, you're ready to go. Did I check AVAX? We will go on to AVAX after we get through Winner and Assemble AI. Let's get on over there as soon as we can. Your daily, still high stochastic, not overbought. That's the biggest deal. Leverage trade time, Adam. I mean, you really could. It is in the place that you want to be with hidden bullish divergence on the daily to then cause the higher low. New uptrend has been forming for Adam. That's absolutely stunning. Checking out the 4 hour. 4 hours resetting with upsloping. Consolidation. Yeah. So automatically I'm just thinking you're getting 37 to 45% upside. Can I 125x Adam? Cody, you can do whatever you like. I'm not going to make that decision for you. Alright, so real fast, let's go to Winner. Wait, after Adam, I know there's something else. Hold on. Or was that it? Tia. We got to check out Tia. Tia and Tamara. Anybody remembers Tia and Tamara? We're old. Alright, that's all I got to tell you. We're old. Celestia, yes. Celestia is... I mean, you're trying to get to this measured move up here at 579.6. You're just running into a lot of overhead resistance at 540. But if you break that, I mean, you should be going up to 682 sometime soon. Sometime soon. I was trying to trade this the other day, and then I got bored, so I got out. But you're in a consolidation pattern, so it's going to be a little bit boring. But your next target is anywhere between 11, 19, or 28% upside. Those are your next targets. 4 hours resetting at stochastic while upsloping like a few other tokens. So a lot of hope on this one. Myro is not looking so destitute anymore. I'm happy about that. That's good. Now let's go into what's this next one? Winner Protocol. I've been here before. Okay. So it looks like you had your breakout. You had a back test of No Man's Land. Now it looks like you're trying to go back up and break out of 3439. Looks like you're trying. I'm going to emphasize trying because I'm very confused with this price action. You got a high, pullback, a high. Ooh, you got a high right there. Higher highs. I sort of feel like it should pull back a little bit. I got this feeling. Oh, you're finding resistance at your 200 simple. You just had a daily candle close above your 200 simple moving average on the daily. Well, if you manage to break out, your next target's 5307. I just feel like a pullback's going to be coming. Yeah, crazy volume. It's crazy volume, but you're uptrending. So if you're not trading on leverage and you're just holding it, this is where you want to accumulate. This is really where you want to accumulate. So you're just kind of sitting back and waiting to see if they're going to push the price up or not. But yeah, the fact that you've hit resistance like once, twice, 3 times, consecutive lower highs, you're just expecting another pullback again because that's all you've done each time. Unless you happen to reset all of your indicators while pressed up against that level of resistance. But even on your 1 hour, you're putting up massive hidden bearish divergence, and you're just flatlining here. So it makes me believe you're going to pull back. Don't get me wrong, it could pump. It could very much pump. But looking at it from a TA standpoint, I'd say a pullback. And I'd be looking for support somewhere around the bottom of this consolidation at 2833. But that's not for certain. It could just break out. Because once again, you have all the moving averages trending up with you. You could just break out and start running. So there's that. And we are in Moonvember, so be careful on any type of shorting or selling early. Be careful of that. Now let's check out Assemble AI. ASM, that's what it is. Where do I normally look at this thing? Right here. Okay. All right. Assemble AI has no volume, I swear. At least not on this exchange. Bust the nut season. Yeah, pretty much. It's crazy right now. Are you doing No Nut November? Jack, I'm married. I do No Nut year. Come on, bro. Step your game up. Of course not. I've never participated in that. I have never participated in that. I mean, it just looks like a bull flag. I don't know what else to tell you. Assemble AI just looks like a bull flag. You're waiting for a breakout. Beautiful falling wedge, nice upswing. Maybe you get that breakout sooner than later. Rich, ew. And this is one of the few things on the daily you have a low stochastic. Your MACD is showing a lot of the negative momentum is starting to go away. It doesn't look bad. You just really want that breakout and back test. That's really what you're looking for. Once you get the breakout and back test, 4427 or 6034. Those are the two targets you're looking at. That's really all I got to say about Assemble AI. But the longer you stay below 3068, more likely you're going to go down and test 2113. So hopefully during this weird pump session that every other token's getting, Assemble AI gets its turn. Because if it has to wait till the next time, ooh, this is going to fall bad. And it's going to be just a simple back test of where you broke out and never back tested. Kind of looks like it wants to go down there, but you do have a golden cross working in your favor. So yeah, I would wait on Assemble AI if you're already holding it. Wait to see the breakout. Falling wedges are traditionally very bullish, and we are in a bullish time of the market, so I wouldn't sell. But I wouldn't put any leverage on this thing either. Those wicks on the top end, those are terrible. Sellers have so much strength up here. It's not good. I'm more surprised this happened after this giant wick down. Like, woof. Shocking. Sellers do not like this one. Better not reverse on me suddenly. This bitch got mean reversal tendencies. Well, that's because XRP, it always gets some form of news. As soon as it gets the news, later. Alright, we're going to go into AVAX next. Do I think alt season started? Yes, I do think alt season started, but alt season is very short-lived. So, enjoy this month, enjoy this next week. I don't think it's going to last very much longer. And then we start to short the market again. It'll be great. Maybe we get until Christmas rally. Not sure. Thoughts on GME? Are you talking about GameStop or the crypto? If it's GameStop, I think short squeeze season is in. Roaring Kitty's been talking lately, and he never talks. Well, I guess I just answered that. Yeah. I think short squeeze season is in. You have meme coins popping off. Meme stocks are next. All the degens are just filling up their bags of money to then go screw over hedge funds. So AVAX is above the 2814 I was looking for yesterday. So all I'm looking for, stay above 2814. You're going to see 39.14 next, and then 47.78. Just give it some time. Give it some time. AVAX and FTM, they are severely undervalued in my opinion. Gary Gensler is out. Yeah, we're going to go into the moon. We really are. It's going to be wild. It's going to be wild. This is where like the generational wealth comes in. Got through AVAX. I feel good about it. Ooh, looks like we're getting the market moving again. AVAX is actually getting a little bit of love. Let's go. Let's go. Got another love session going. Look at AVAX. Look at the strength it's starting to show. Look at this. The closer, good evening. Can I confirm Swell Network is in consolidation? I can try. Gary Gensler has done nothing to stop naked short selling, but halt stocks that are pumping. Yeah, that's true. You know, that's one thing I learned a lot is like, if the markets are tanking pretty good and the hedge funds are on the same side of it, they're going to let it keep falling. They're going to just let it keep falling. But if it's falling and the hedge funds are leveraged long, they'll stop it instantly. They're like, whoa, wait a minute. Halt trading. Allow these rich people to get out of there. Like, Bitcoin's moving up too. Is it really? Bitcoin's starting to move. That's good. Almost hit 72. Yeah. I don't know why you're saying 72. Don't you mean 77? Doge 2250. What the what? Oh, cents. 22 cents. Yeah, that makes sense. 77. Yeah. CT. I was like, I think we already passed 72. Just saying. But yeah, AVAX right now looking ready to pump up to 39.14. Looking ready for it. It has its running shoes on. You think FET is a good spot? Could be. Very much could be. I was supposed to look at something. Hold on. Swell. Gotta look at Swell. Wait, is Myro getting the love? Yeah, let's go, baby. Alright, Swell. Swell. Is Swell consolidating? Yeah, I would say it's consolidating. So I drew this yesterday, probably around here or here. It just kept going. Now, yes, we are consolidating. Let's get rid of this. Don't need any more. Yeah, that is a typical consolidation right there. So once you break this downtrend, party back on. Turn the lights back on, the cops left, you're ready to go. Yeah, anybody go to parties in high school? Why is it whenever the cops came, a lot of people would be like, oh my god, turn off the lights, act like we're not here. Like as if they didn't hear us when they were at the door. I got in a lot of arguments in high school. There was a lot of stupidity. Oh man. Price prediction on Swell? I think 80 million. I don't have a clue. I know literally nothing about this token. You guys have been bringing up Swell for the last like 3 days. I know nothing about this token. I'm not willing to research it. I'm just kind of looking at it for you guys. If I'm being completely honest, I know nothing about this. Bitcoin about to rip higher? You think so, Cody? It better. Pump my bags, Bitcoin. Pump my bags. Let's go. But yeah, Swell. I don't know anything about Swell. Nothing at all. I can already tell you were a party animal. What? Me? No. I was a student athlete. That found rugby later. And I was like, these are my people. Same thing. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Oh man. You know, life was just They were fun times to be had, and I just couldn't let other people have them for me. So I had to go experience it. You know? You know? Oh, Cody, I don't like marijuana. So that'll never happen. That'll legitimately never happen. I tried it in high school, tried it in college. I just didn't like it. So that will never happen. I enjoy beer. I do enjoy beer. Heck, high school I enjoyed tequila too. I tried to enjoy it in college, and then I went to Vegas one time. I don't enjoy tequila too much anymore. Well, not that much. Really hoping Bitcoin goes up. What's my take on Coinbase Coin? Wait, is that thing is? Oh wait, you're talking about the stock. Oh, let's see what it looks like. I haven't looked at the stock in a while. Holy shit. Marijuana less than alcohol. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the Mary Jane. I'm just not. I understand there's different types and all. It's just I never needed it. And every time I tried it, it was like I would always just feel lazy. I don't have a problem being lazy all on my own. Damn, Coinbase, that is a big breakout. Holy shit. Your next target for Coinbase is $348. Sheesh. South Coast Plaza Mall or Mission Viejo shops. South Coast Plaza's way better. Way better. I have a picture hotboxing your car. Couldn't see 1 foot away. Yeah, I used to run into people like that all the time. Used to run into them all the time. I will say though, the pot kids, they're a lot easier to hang out with because they're flying like a kite. They don't really want to fight. They really don't want to fight. So I was like, oh, this isn't that bad. Yeah, coin, you're breaking your downtrend right now. Only problem is if you're taking out options, then you gotta account for how long it could take to get up to this level. So you would have to buy completely out of the money for something like July 13th of 2026. Ugh, gross. Even though I think coin's about to make all-time highs, it's about to go absolutely insane. But quarter pound a week keeps me going. Oh my goodness. You have 24 shares. Wow. At 257. Oh, you're doing pretty good. Yeah, you're doing pretty good. Rocket Pool. Runner, you want me to check out Rocket Pool? I thought no, that was Tornado Money. Never mind. Rocket Pool? I'll check that out. Oh my god, you're not even overbought on coin. Holy shit. Monday's going to be very interesting for coin. But considering Bitcoin's still pumping up, this thing's going to just fly. So, I'm seeing by I'm going to say Wednesday. By Wednesday, 348 for coin. IPL. What's IPL? RPL? Is that Rocket Pool? Okay. RPL. 348 by Wednesday. That thing, that big a jump. How can you tell? Because it's directly correlated with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's been pumping like crazy. Unless Bitcoin crashes down below its previous highs, I don't think coin is going to be doing bad. You also have to think about Wall Street knows what kind of fees Coinbase brings in. So I think as soon as the markets open on Monday, they're going to give coin a nice little pop to the upside. It's just my thought. It's a gut feeling on that. It's just got a strong feeling about that, especially with altcoins popping up too. I think it's going to be pretty good for coin. Don't get me wrong. I'm not taking out options on it. I'm not doing that because, like I said before, you'd have to account for July of 2026. Like it's you gotta account for that far out. That's pretty far. So, yeah. Man, I hope you're right. I'm holding long-term shares, not trading it. Don't really know how to trade. Thanks for your handiest man. No problem, CT. Yeah, trading in stocks, you just have to make sure you're not really kind of around the earnings calls. But I think for coin, you're definitely gonna want to be. Oh, my honesty. Okay, gotcha. Coin, you're definitely gonna want to be around for those earning calls because coin, since we're in a bull run for crypto, it should only go up because everyone's buying in. So the fees are going to be high, so they're bringing in way more money. BTC going all-time high. That's what's up. My Myro is not doing the same thing. That's all I care about. By the way, for those of you new into the stream here, the current trade is Myro. I've been in this trade literally all day. We're currently up 115%, 17%. And I'm on 35x long. 35x. Hitting 83 by Monday. You think so? That's pretty solid. Pretty solid. Bitcoin hit 77K today. It did, Harlem. It did. All right, Rocket Pool. Looks like you're getting rejected off of this level up here. However, you have your hidden bullish divergence to work off of, and it's triple hidden bullish divergence. Wow. Rocket Pool is probably about to fly. So anywhere between 26 to 72%. Rocket Pool is probably about to fly. Triple hidden bullish divergence on the daily. Very hard to find. That is very hard to find. So yeah, keep your eyes on Rocket Pool. This thing could go crazy. Since it closed for the weekend, coin should just blast off first thing market opens. Gotcha. Why isn't coin open on the weekends like the rest? Coin's a stock. We're looking at crypto. So CT, crypto trades 24/7. Nobody can stop it all the time. It's just like a commodity. But coin, that is a stock on the NASDAQ. It only trades during the stock markets pre and post market plus normal trading hours. Yeah, buying tonight. No, this thing actually looks really good. I honestly don't see triple hidden bullish divergence on the daily too often, so I look forward to seeing what this thing does. I really do. This could be amazing. This is your first bull run. I just want to make 100K, Harlem. As long as you get into the right plays and you take profits, shouldn't be a problem. It really should not be a problem. Mix in a couple meme coins in there to really help boost that portfolio. Shouldn't be a problem. Put 90K in. Okay, you'll probably make that. Somebody asked me to look at something. Hold on. I lost it. Saw BTC. A lot. Turbo. Got you. Turbo. So jumping back into Turbo again. Turbo. We are running. We're moving. We're grooving. here we go. So Turbo actually broke out, had your back test. Now it's starting to go. You have this move up to 10455. If you manage to break that, then I have it marked out to a 70% rise up to 15383. But noted, you will be in price discovery. It could keep running. So take that with a grain of salt. I just have my method of trading, and I just take my profits based off my method, and I move on. Then I wait for my method to be able to take place again. Okay, that makes sense, man. Thank you for helping out. I'm gonna subscribe, gonna eat dinner here soon. I'll be looking out for your channel. Well, thank you very much, CT. I appreciate that. We're well on the road to 1K subscribers. So I need all the help that we can get. We are nearing 500. We're getting close. I wish Robinhood had more crypto coins to buy. CT, in the chat, you're going to notice some links popping up. If you really want to get into crypto, you should just start easy. Download either Coinbase or Kraken so you can onboard some money. And then you could also, tap one of those links if you want to start trading crypto. Or just buying a lot of other small cap altcoins. The opportunity's there. Total market cap, excluding the top 10. What is that? I don't know what you're saying. What's a 10x for Turbo on charts from here? $99381. You're right, man. Appreciate it. Let's make some profit. Fuck yeah. That's the entire point of this stream. Making profit. Can I check the chart? Total excluding top 10. I want you to see how it's set up. I don't know what that is. Is that like what I type in? That looks weird. Y'all wild with these requests. Y'all are wild. Total excluding top 10. Have I ever checked Mew? I don't think I did. I did not today. I know that much. Is total market cap. Assessing alts cheat code. Dude, I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to get me to look at. Is it others? What am I looking at? Top one. Others. Got it. Just got some alpha that Murad bought fungi. Can you check that out? Murad had so many 100x. I think Turbo can do a 10x. It can. I just don't know if it will. If you're looking for a 10x, honestly, go on to CoinGecko and go to new listings. A lot of them should 10x, honestly. And also, if you're saying some person's name that I should know who it is, I will definitely say I don't know who that is. Number one. And number two, if he's spouting off whatever it is you should buy, he already is holding a bag and he wants to dump it on you. Just understand that. He wants you guys to pump his bag so he can sell it. Alright? I'd rather leverage trade for a 10x. It's easier. I mean, on election day, we got an 11x. And considering this is a channel for you to, like, kind of get leverage trade ideas, kind of a good spot. You guys look up some weird stuff. Price discovery on BTC. All right, we're going back to BTC. Y'all are having me look up some weird stuff here. I swear. Myro looking decent. Going back to BTC. Metaspin. Check it out. Alright, so Bitcoin. Let's see how the prediction is going. Oh, that's a huge spike. Oh, never mind. I was just zoomed in. Alright, so Bitcoin is popping off. You guys want to know why, though? You want to know why? Want to know why? Look at all this liquidity right here. This is nuts. Let's get a quick little refresh. Look at all this liquidity that's being just destroyed. This right here, $56 million on the weekend, absolutely nuts. Would you say the best boys club / Matt Fury meme coin is what? What would you say the best boys club / Matt Fury meme coin is? Am I this disconnected from the meme coin market? I have no idea what you're saying, Gold Mike. Honestly, I don't know what the best boys club or Matt Fury is. Actually, Matt Fury sounds familiar. Boys club like Pepe, Brett, Andy, Landwolf, Hoppy. That sounds like all Ethereum, so whatever the other one is. I'm going for whatever the other one is. Wreck the shorts. Yeah, these shorts are getting toasted. Oh my goodness. Checking the weekly on this. It's even more disgusting. Look at how much is getting liquidated. 70 million, 134 million, 117 million, 41 million. What's next? 97 million? Sheesh. Gotcha. Yeah, Gold Mike. The only reason I say anything besides Ethereum memes is those goddamn gas fees, man. So those gas fees are terrible. It makes it to where you don't want to invest in it in those memes. Your UNC status? Alright. I hate the gas fees. No, those gas fees are they're awful. They're so literally I was like, "Oh, if it's an Ethereum meme coin, I'll wait till it's listed. I'll wait. There's no way I'm getting rug pulled on Ethereum meme coins ever. Because I will never buy it on the DEX. I will never. Ethereum, figure shit out. It's pathetic. BTC overextended on the 15-minute? Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, I was going to buy something earlier. The gas was $18. Insanity, not. Crypto naughty. It was only $18. Excuse me? Are we in a bear market? What the fuck? It was that low? XRP taking a break. Hopefully it's not getting ready to reverse back. I mean, hopefully not. Bullish CVD. Okay, SHIB is up. You're right. SHIB is up. SHIB's doing stuff. Been doing stuff for a while. It's up 9.7%. Let's go. I'm used to Sol. You're used to Sol. Man, last bull run it was all about the BSC. Alright? Binance token memes. That's what it was all about. Then the Ethereum memes jumped in there and it was like, oh yeah, I want to put 200 on this. And then it was like, never mind. No, I don't, because it's gonna be 500 to 1,000 in fees. Like, good God. That looks crazy. Gap filler, you did it to me again, bro. You did it to me again. I don't even know how you guys find this crap. I don't know if Soul's the best bet or if Sui will become the best bet. I think Sui has an opportunity of doing really, really well. When will Shiba hit all-time highs? No idea. Skibidi Toilet? They made a meme coin like that? You can copy, paste, and enter. That's exactly what I did. See there? See the paste? And I hit enter? That's what pops up. You liar! I hope AVAX. AVAX should be doing just fine. Swap your Caspa for Sun? I don't even know the difference. Look at it? What are you talking about? Look at it. Look. What? We're all lost, Rich. Throwing off the flow. All right, we're gonna give up on that. we're gonna give up on that. Thought his name was Gape Filler. No, it's Gap Filler. Gapfiller. Gap Filler. I can't read the last part, but you know. Let's see Skibidi Toilet. Skibidi Toilet. It's on CoinEx. We're gonna look at it there. What the fuck am I supposed to do with this? What am I supposed to do with this? It's done nothing. Going to 0. Rising Wedge. I don't know what to do with this. All it's done is top, bottom, top, bottom, top. Maybe it goes to the bottom. I don't fucking know. It's not listed? You sure? Because this looks like Skibidi Toilet. Wait, somebody said Polly? Oh, Jack, you said Polly looks overextended on the 15. Oh, I thought you said Bitcoin did. Sorry. I can't do anything with this. You can't keep giving me all these brand new meme coins. What is the BEB meme coin for this bull run? BEB. I'm not sure what you mean, Max. What is that? Higher time frame. We're in higher time frames. You want to go lower time frames? Looking at the 4 hour, looks like you're resetting and getting ready to go back to the top. The best meme coins for this bull run? I don't know. I don't know. There's actually this bull run, there's a lot of competition. So you have Bonk, you have Pepe. Then you have Popcat, which came up. Dogecoin is just out there. It's king of the memes. Killing it. What else do you have? I don't even know what all the other meme coins are. I don't know. I've been so out of the meme coins for so long that I literally just find new ones, grab 100x, move on. Grab 100x, move on. And if I don't grab 100x or it looks like it's stalling out, I just leave it. So I don't even know. Check Mew. We'll check out Mew. Yeah, this thing, it looks like it could rally back up, but outside of that, I really have nothing for you. You had some resistance back here that you back tested as support, so hopefully it actually does go up. But since it is a meme coin, flip of a coin, if I'm being honest. It's a flip of a coin if you go up or down. So I don't know. I can leverage this one. I looked at this one. What the fuck did that happen? Oh, it's just going straight up. What the? You came down close to your 618. You caught bids. I'll see you at 12,977. Moonwell, we can check out well. Murad has a list that should all do well. Who's Murad? There's so many weird names you guys are finding. Losing it. We never had all these people. We had Crypto Misha last bull run. That's the only one I knew about. Crypto Misha, because he would, as I said before, he would just market a bunch of tokens that he had a bunch of, and he would sell them as soon as people jumped in. Oh, hey, got some more money, sell. Like, that's all he did. Market one, sell it. Market one, sell it. That's all he did. He's a main character. Murad is like this new meme Misha. Oh, he's the new one? Okay. Crash, but better, in your opinion? Okay. I don't know who Crash is either. Myro's getting its gains back. I guess we can look at it on the 1 hour. Ooh. 1 hour does not look promising with that high stochastic and in the bullish control zone. Looks like more consolidation could be ahead. And considering you already set one lower high, and you didn't make that measured move? What? How weird is that? Guess we'll get rid of this now. I mean, in reality, I should put it like this to show that you did break out. Now you're sideways consolidating. This could keep going. And considering it is an upswing and you did reset once, you could be looking at something up here. This is the method I would be using, considering you do have a low, a low, a low. So you have a strong level of support here. So what I would be looking for in the very short term is a 15% move to the upside on this token, Mu. We will see if it pans out. We'll see. You know who Crypto Galaxy is? Nope, don't know him either. You guys can tell I don't get my information from very many places apparently. Moonwell. Moonwell looking like this resistance is really holding it down. Holy moly. So at this point, considering you keep getting forced down and you're not above your 200 simple, I'm guessing Moonwell could come down to this 64273. Kind of sucks because the rest of the market is rallying like crazy, but when you're getting held down like this, you just have to say, hey, maybe we got to go test some support. Just maybe. So Moonwell, if you do not break out, you are looking for something down here. About an 18% drop. You got pretty close last time. And you don't really have hidden bullish divergence or anything. Maybe you have a double bottom here, and maybe you're about to hit a higher low. But until that 1 hour resets, I don't know. Looking at your 4 hour, 4 hours 20. Oh, you're all up in these moving averages. Holy crap. Yeah, go test some support. Go test that support. Holy moly. I didn't realize you were so deep in it. Oof. Where the fuck? There we go. So yeah, Moonwell just looks like it's struggling a bit. You also should not have reset your 4 hour so quickly. So I'm guessing 18% downside for Moonwell. I'm going to have to start researching people now. Is that what's going to have to happen here? I have to research people? You know what? Speaking of meme coins, what's Dog with Hat doing? Ooh, and Uniswap. Holy shit. Wait a minute. Oh, Uni's not going anywhere. We're good. Alright. Whiff. Where are you at? Where are you at, Whiff? There you are. Uni! It's not going anywhere. It's fine. Okay, Dog with Hat. It's working on it. Working on it. Trying to get to some resistance. Okay, I see you. It's not bad. Yeah, Uni's consolidating. It's really all it's doing. It's consolidating. Not doing much. I have this alert right here because I was trading it earlier, but it didn't move. It barely went anywhere, so I got out. And I got into Myro instead, which then didn't go anywhere. It's annoying. Ton token finally moved, which was great. You're longing Uni to 14. Yeah, that makes sense. 14.93.8. Makes sense. It's a big old nothingness right here, but it just needs to consolidate. I mean, if you look at your daily, you're almost in overbought territory. Not saying it can't pump, just saying you might consolidate. Consolidation's not a bad thing. It's really not. Sui's still going up. Still going up. Aiming for... As you guys were here to see it, I measured this out. I was like, probably going to go up and hit that green line. 37% upside. It's going. Not overbought yet. That's insane. You know, we haven't looked at storage in a while. Well, storage is just kind of chugging along here. Just chugging along. This thing is taking forever to move, I swear. I'll swear it. You're getting back above that 200 on the 4 hour. Nice. Is Bitcoin starting to pump up again? I feel like it is. Oh yeah, everything's going green. Hold on. We're going back to Bitcoin. We're going back to Bitcoin. This is not a drill. It's not a drill. We might be getting all-time highs once again. BTC's going. It is going. It's about to hit my target. Oh boy. Bet you all thought my targets were full of BS. Bet you thought that. My targets are real. The targets are real. The best part is, if you had the stop loss down here at 75.56, one, you were just fine on the pullback. It's going. I know you dislike XRP. What are your thoughts on a most recent 4 hour candle time frame? Let's go check. Oh, it's scrolling. Okay. What's for dinner?
We'll see in a minute. It's almost done.
At 6:46. You guys feeling it? Alright. You're tired.
I've had a very active day.
Yeah, you did. Right now XRP is hitting overhead resistance again. Maybe it breaks out. Your 4 hour still has legs to run. Looks like your negative momentum is actually going away, which is nice. Your daily is where the magic happens. So the daily, You have plenty of room to the upside. So it does look like XRP could be hitting 62 cents in the coming days, maybe hours. Depends on what Bitcoin does. 1 hour time frame, you are overbought while hitting resistance. You don't want to see that. 15, you are overbought. You are hitting hidden bearish divergence already. So if you consolidate around here, do not be surprised. The thing about XRP though is when it does decide to move, generally speaking, all indicators don't matter. It'll just go. And you're like, what the hell was that? And then all of a sudden it's done. So I do think XRP can rally here, and it can just start going. Just, okay, cool, we're up. And considering you are consolidating for a year, I don't think it's going to be that bad for it to just start running. I don't think it'll be that bad. I know there's somebody who's going to be out there, it wasn't consolidating for a year. Well, it entered this consolidation back June 13th, 2022. So maybe we'll just say it was 2 years. I don't know what you want to fight about. But yeah. Like a bulldozer. Yeah, seriously, when it runs, it just goes. So look at this weekly candle right here. This happened more like in a day. It just went. You're like, what happened? Oh, there was a judgment from the SEC that it's not a security. And when I say this happened in a day, I wasn't kidding. This was a day. This one candle, 73%. And all it did after it moved, it died. It fucking died. So it was like, oh, not only did you lose your level, you went below it. It was just like, wow, there were a lot of people who want to get out of that coin, isn't there? Holy crap. What was the percentage gain calculator thing? I want to try and use that. Are you talking about the compound calculator? It's called Daily Compound Calculator. I will link this in the chat right now so you can have it. There you go. There you go. So yeah, stuff like this can happen out of XRP. And when it happens, you're just kind of like, oh, we missed it. Because nothing showed it was going to do that. You were sitting in neutral territory because all it does is go sideways. It's one of the most stable coins out there. And then one day, oh, news-driven catalyst. After that day, it sold off. That's all it did. It just sold off. So, I'm completely justified in not liking XRP. Like, for instance, were you ready for ADA to start taking off? I doubt it. I doubt it. Yeah, it gave absolutely no signals. Looking at it on the daily. Let's zoom in here. Zooming in here. Look at your relative strength. All you're doing is chopping sideways. Looking at your MACD, it was like, oh, the selling pressure's going down. But then over here, you're like, oh, the selling pressure was going down. It went bullish. And you're like, that wasn't much of a move. Okay, you were expecting it maybe to set another lower high. But no. Shut the fuck out. Gone. Taking it. Oh, this is going to be hard. Damn it. I knew I would do that. Maybe I was late. Did we check Sol? We did. We're still waiting for that 225. Still waiting. Sadly, still waiting. Oh, where's that spike at? Alright, on the 1 hour, this is where you'd be looking for some type of indication. Leading up to the pump, all you saw was a low, a higher low, And here's the egregious part of this higher low. Everybody would be like, "Oh, let's mark it out." And you're like, "Ooh, we found support." Then it fell through. As soon as it fell through, everybody's like, "Oh, never mind. I guess we're gonna go down." Which noted, you had this was your only signal. Hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hour. That was the only thing you could see. Hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hour. After consolidating for a year. For a year. Then you're like, oh, there's a little hidden bullish divergence. So maybe somebody was like, it's going up. Yeah, woo. And then they saw high stochastics. And they're like, oh, a little dip here. You even had that mini dip here. Look at this nonsense. Little dip. Gone. That 1 hour candle was 24%. Next hour was garbage. The hour after that was another, what is this? 21%. This one was 5. That was 5. It's like, oh my goodness. Oh. Thank you. Appreciate it. Guess we're getting dinner early. ETH to BTC bottomed? I don't know. We'll have to check that out. Check drift, please. Sure. All right, let's go to Sol. Yeah, so XRP, it didn't really give a signal. Nobody was paying attention to it. And then all of a sudden a ruling came out. Then it was like, oh, and it shot up. And noted, I remember when the ruling came out. I looked at it, I was like, wow, there's a ruling. I looked at the XRP chart, already gone. I was like, were there bots just waiting? What the hell was that? No chance. No chance of getting in on that trade. Oh my goodness. It was nuts. Swordfish with a dash of rice. Nope. We have, I want to say it is pork, shredded pork, with mashed potatoes and green beans. I was right. Actually, fun fact, I don't really like fish. I don't really like fish. Solana getting a breakout of its current highs, working its way up to that 225 level. Working its way up. But the good thing is XRP is overextended to the upside, giving a lot of bear signals when it made that top before going to the downside. Oh yeah, anybody could tell that it was going to go down after that. News-driven catalysts, they're great after they happen because, you know, there's going to be tons of profit taking. Tons. Yeah, completely after the fact. And then the sell-off is going to take longer than that quick pump up, too. So you're like, great, I still have to wait. It's like, ugh. Terrible. So Solana, we're looking first to get to 210. And then, of course, 225. We're just waiting on it, Max. We're just waiting on it. We've been waiting on 225 for, I feel like, 2 months now. It's been a really long time. But luckily, we're finally going to get there. Finally going to get there. Even with all this hidden bearish divergence on the 1 hour. Finally going to get there. Do you even have hidden bearish divergence on the 4 hour? No, you don't. No hidden bearish divergence on the 4. A little bit of bearish convergence. However, you can see there is way more sell pressure as it pushes up. A little bit bullish. 1200 one day. I'm still in the camp. I think Solana's going to get up to anywhere between 2 and 3,000. There was somebody who came into chat. He believes it's only going to get to 500. I was like, wow, very conservative of you. I hope you sell at 500. Enjoy your bag. Like, no way it gets above 500. I was like, what? First bull run? Like, what do you mean? Drift might be fantastic to the downside. Sol ETF with Trump, that would be terrible. I'd start selling off Solana right away. Grayscale holds a lot of Solana. They hold a lot of Solana. I'd be selling it instantly. 500 for AVAX. I think AVAX is breaking 1,000 too. Last bull run I got to 149. I can see it at 1,400. I can see that. Where are you, Drift? Here you are. So as for Drift, I'm looking for more of a pullback, personally. Looking for more of a pullback. After I got off stream last night, I did short it for a very short period of time, but I did short it. It was a good short, too. It was really good. I might want to short it again. 4 hour stochastic, still not reset. Your 1 hour reset to the upside already. Wow, now we have a better demand line to work with. Right there, you tried to wick out of it, you failed, you're getting sold off. Let's go. Actually, we probably should bring it up here. That looks a little more proper. A little bit more proper. Let's go to the 15. Oh yeah, this thing's ready to drop. Oh yeah. Go test that 200. Go do it. You had a nice run. Getting into that little green zone. If Bitcoin keeps pumping, this thing can break out. Don't get me wrong, could break out. I would still be betting on go test something. Just test something. All it did was go straight up. It never tested anything. And the biggest thing it never tested was this red line down here. Never tested it. So, of course, as soon as we're not bullish, I'm thinking Drift is going to come all the way down to 68.49. Unless there's some entity out there that wants to prop it up. We shall see. I don't think I'm missing anything. I can check total 3. I know what total 3 is. This works. Total 3. Wow. You're right at resistance. Right at it. ETH looks like a cool short 15 minute. Shorting right now, pretty dangerous, Jack. Pretty dangerous. You still have things pumping. It's the weekend. We don't have Wall Street to sell off right now. Pretty risky. It's like all the degens are out right now. So total 3 has just been pumping straight up, but you did hit this overhead resistance that we've had from, let's just say, we started it back here November 10th of 2021. We regarded this level as resistance right here March 13th of 2024. No. Drift a fantastic play. I'm so confused. I'm just calling for Drift to go down. Perhaps one should shorten their risk before selling. I mean, it's always good to take profits. Always good to take profits. Throwing in a short while everything's pumping in a momentum-driven market, that's tough. It's very tough. So, like, for instance, Why I'm so confident saying drift, I would probably want to short this. Hamster been running hard, over 100%. It has been running hard. I looked at it and I was like, what the hell is that? So the only reason I feel so much more confident about talking about with drift is because if you look at drift, it just shot up. It had its run. Now this is your distribution. That's all it is. Lounge Addy. What about FET? Could it reach $2? Maybe. I don't know. I don't make price predictions. I just tell you what I see on the chart. Oh, you want drift to go up? It's a lofty goal there. Lofty goal, especially when you had a supply line that was formed here that you not only broke down from, but you bearishly backtested. Lofty goal here for it to keep going up. See a lot clearer on the 15 minute. A lot clearer on the 15 minute. So you're just looking at this to start coming down. But as I said before, could break out. It could. It really could. Volume is also declining the past few days on ETH. Bulls week plus weekly candle. ETH looks very overextended. The weekly candles the weekly can be overextended for months. So it's better to look at when it's overextended on the daily and the 4 hour to find those pullbacks, especially the daily. So FET here, looking at it, stochastic looks way high, but relative strength, you're in neutral territory. You're not even close to being overbought. It could run if the buyers wanted. Could run. You can see you just recently got back above your 50 simple moving average, and now you're still below your 200. So the idea of FET running right now is very possible. Very possible. You're above a local level of resistance, was acted as resistance, technically support, then resistance again. Now you're utilizing it as support again. So yeah, right now the target for FET, if it can break above 149.1, $2.15, 15.6. I don't know how to say that. $2.15 and 6/10 of a penny. Hundredths of a penny. That's what it is. So yeah, FET, it doesn't look bad. I like that you broke out of your long-term downtrend. You do have an uptrend that has formed. It's a very mild uptrend right there. Very mild uptrend, but an uptrend nonetheless. You had a downtrending level of resistance that you broke out of. So yeah, FET definitely could keep going up and getting up to that $2.15 level. You break above that and you hold it, well, sky is pretty much the limit. There's not much stopping you up here. Not much. Just look at GMT. Wow. Wow. Even had that fake out to the downside. Wow. I would love to see GMT get up to 18 cents. That would be a great trade. Yeah, this little hamster be running. But it does look like you're about to hit some resistance. Looks like some resistance is right overhead. Stayed above some support, though. Definitely stayed above some support. So if you chop around in here for a while, this could be really good. What is this token? I don't even know what HMSTR is. What is it? Injective breaking out? Is it really? Kava, this is one you guys should probably have on your radar. You're at all-time lows right now. You're uptrending at the moment. Anywhere between a 30 to a 270% move could be coming for Kava. The possibility is there. Possibility. Oh, beautiful breakout. Beautiful breakout. Target's 27.78. We'll see what it does around there. You're going to get a golden cross soon. As long as price stays up. Going to get that golden cross. That's good. It's very good. Oh, and you're low on the Stochastic. Little hidden bearish divergence, but yeah, looks like you're going to keep on moving up over time. Injective looking cute. Looking cute as always. Oh, man. I feel like I'm just tired today. You guys ever feel that way? You're just tired? Oof. So tired. The trade we are currently in, we have broken back out once again. Once again. Currently up 191% on the trade. Oh, this trade's been open way too long, I swear. Way too long. Myro, can you just pump? Just get going. We're tired of you wasting your time here. We're tired of it. I don't want to dig no more holes, Grandpa. You're bringing more subscribers? You're wild. You're absolutely wild. Volume predicts price. I'm waiting for drift to break out. I don't know if volume does predict price. Spell a good day. Volume does help dictate where it's likely to go. Whether you have a lot of selling volume or a lot of buying volume. Where are you at, Spell? Excuse me? Cow Protocol? Sure. Oh yeah, Spell had a crazy day. Crazy day. Oh, well, you were in the best area to take longs. So it makes sense why Spell did so well. Best area to take longs. You broke out of the area, you back tested it once and twice. Get on out of there, buddy. Get on out of there. So this is a big time breakout for Spell. You break this, you're going to lose a 0. 15268. You're going to lose a 0. That's a big deal. A really big deal. It's 113% if you manage to break out and hold it. You're still not overbought on the daily. That's impressive. You are overbought on the 4 hour, but your stochastic's trying to let you run again? Damn, your 1 hour wants to break out. Bad. $15 could hold you back. It could. Let's check out Cal. Cal Protocol. I can trade this. It's been out for a full week. Wait, hold on. Has it only been out for 1 week? Nope. CoinX has all the info. CoinX has all the info. If you break the level that's holding you down right now, you should see the highest weekly candle close you've ever had. $1.28. If you can break the level you're currently at this very second. Oh man, so many gains in this market. Jeez. So many. Shiba Inu's taking so many. Is Spell a good play? I don't think it's a bad play. You can buy it. It's just consolidating right now. I personally don't like buying stuff right after it shoots up. I usually like to wait till the consolidation's over. That's kind of why I'm not buying a bunch of Uniswap right now. Just want to wait for the consolidation to end. Spell's kind of in the same boat. It had a very good run so far, and it's just hitting resistance. So there's tons of supply there. Buyers need to buy it all up, and then it can keep going. But yeah, Spell's upside, it's massive. It's absolutely massive. Because you're expecting it to get to its all-time high again. You would lose 2 zeros. Like that's 100x. That's a big deal. So, yeah, it's a good buy where it's at. Buy it up. I don't know what the project does. I have no idea what the project does. I don't know if they're working on it. I don't know anything. I just know they're on an exchange and you can trade it. And the technicals are saying you are in a buying area. Because you are literally at all-time lows that was used as support not once, but twice. So that is a bottoming pattern showing you should have upside. And if you manage to break this 15268, you're going to go up either a lot of threes or 58743. So yeah, it looks like a good play. Looks like it. Doesn't look like it wants to go any lower. So yeah, that's usually where I would buy it. Would you look at that? Myro's finally starting to move. Jeez. This literally took all day. Literally all day. Literally all day. Up 225% on our 35x long. For those people who think that I don't trade, I opened this one while I was waking up. If I'm being honest, I was waking up, I looked at the chart, and I was like, wow, that looks like a great opportunity. So I got it. Alright guys, I'm kind of winding down here. We have been live for 2.5 hours. I will be coming back again tomorrow with all the energy. But hopefully we covered enough for you guys. Definitely take the time, join the Discord. If you have any more requests, I will try and get to them tonight. But considering I'm just waiting on this Myro trade to execute, I'm probably just gonna chill for the rest of the night, watch a movie with the wife, get ready for date day tomorrow, and work in the morning. But yeah, I'm gonna head on off. Hopefully, you guys had a fantastic day today. Hopefully, you have a great day planned for tomorrow. Let's keep getting these gains, guys. Keep getting these gains. Opportunities like this don't come very often. So, take full advantage. Take full advantage. Thanks. Have a great night. I will. Thank you very much, Closer. All right, guys. Take it easy. Keep your stop losses tight. Deuces, y'all. Deuces. I will definitely try to have a good night. Whew, I'm just tired, just sleepy. It's bad. Been fun, bro. GG. Later, everybody. I'm out of here.